Ezra Chapter 5. Then the prophets Haggai the prophet and Zechariah son of Edo prophesied to the Yehudim who were in Yehuda and Yerushalayim in the name of the Elah of Israel upon them. Then Zerubbabel son of Shealtiel and Yahusha son of Yosadak rose up and began to build the house of Elah which is in Yerushalayim. And the prophets of Elah were with them, helping them. At that time, Tatanai, the governor beyond the river, and Shethar, Bozenai, and their companions came to them and said this to them, "Who has made you a decree to build this house and to complete this wall?" Then we told them what the names were of the men who were building this building, and the eye of their Elah was upon the elders of the Yehudim, so that they could not make them cease until the matter went to Dariawesh. And then they sent back a letter concerning this. This is a copy of the letter that Tatanai, governor beyond the river, had sent, and Shethar Bozenai and his companions, the officials beyond the river, to Dariawesh, the sovereign. They sent a letter to him, and this was written in it. To Dariawesh, the sovereign, all peace. Let it be known to the sovereign that we went into the province of Yehuda, to the house of the great Elah, which is being built with heavy stones, and timber is being laid in the walls. And this work goes on speedily and is blessed in their hands. Then we asked those elders, saying this to them, "Who made you a decree to build this house and to complete these walls?" And we also asked them their names in order to inform you, so we can write the names of the men at their head. And this is the answer they gave us, saying, "We are the servants of the Elah of heaven and earth, and we are rebuilding a house that was built many years ago, which a great sovereign of Israel built and completed. But because our fathers provoked the Elah of heaven, he gave them into the hand of Nebuchadnezzar, sovereign of Babel, the Chaldea, who destroyed this house and exiled the people to Babel. But in the first year of Koresh, sovereign of Babel, Koresh the sovereign made a decree to build this house of Elah, and also the gold and silver utensils of the house of Elah, which Nebuchadnezzar had taken from the Hekel that was in Yerushalayim, and brought to the Hekel of Babel. Those sovereign Koresh took from the Hekel of Babel, and they were given to one named Sheshbazzar, whom he had made governor, and said to him, "Take these utensils, go, deposit them in the Hekel in Yerushalayim, and let the house of Elah be built in its place." Then the same Sheshbazzar came, laid the foundation of the house of Elah, which is in Yerushalayim, and since that time, even until now, it has been in building, and it is not completed. And now, if it seems good to the sovereign, let a search be made in the sovereign's treasure house, which is there in Babel, whether it is so that a decree was made by sovereign Koresh to build this house of Elah at Yerushalayim, and let the sovereign send us his decision concerning this.